we've started adding different sort of apps. We're going to play with the chat app, but this playground, it looks complicated, and it is complicated. Florin built this. If you use this playground, you basically go to lunch after you start it. The idea of the playground is it gives you different ways of identifying what are the best settings for that model to run on your machine. So you want to run it on that machine. And so literally you just go, okay, here are these potential settings, the whole thing, and you hit go and you just go to lunch. And hopefully when you come back in an hour and a half, it's run the model against every combination of those settings, and then it will tell you which one ran best. And then those are the settings you use. But you don't sit there and watch it run, because it's like watching water try to boil. Like, it's going to be slow depending on how beefy your machine is, right? But it will tell you other metrics that we're going to share with you today, like TPS, tokens per second, which I don't think is a very valuable. Everybody loves to play with the tokens per second number. I don't care if my tokens per second is 10 if the job finishes faster than, right? Like, we're going to talk about some of this. I think TPS is a false sort of metric, to be honest with you. What I care about is, from the time we started this task, how long did it take to finish, right? Sometimes that's not a metric of the model itself, but your tooling, right? So if your tool or the app you wrote or your tools are not being efficient with the model, who cares if you're running 80 TPS if it's taking 5 minutes to get it done, because the model can't find the hook into what it's supposed to be doing, right? All 80 TPS would mean is that the model's spinning its wheels faster, right? And so, yeah, it's exciting when you go, oh, it's running at 200 TPS. Yeah, but you can't do anything with it. You see what I'm saying?
I think it's just that metric if you are serving, right? If you are serving.
Yeah, but again, that metric doesn't help me. What helps me is I ask Klein to do this thing against this model. How fast did it get done? Because how efficient was it using the model, right? That's what is important to me. So we'll talk a little bit about that. There's going to be a metric on how long you get to the first token. I think that's a nice metric, right? Because until you get to the first token, everything has been what? Preamble. It takes you 5 minutes to get to a point where you can even start getting inference out of the model. So that's a metric I look at all the time, because that's a function of really of your Go code, right? Processing everything to get to that first sort of token. So there's metrics here that we'll talk about. I just think TPS is a false, I don't know. We'll see. I mean, obviously, if it's running that fast, you should be able to get everything through the models faster, per se. But we'll see. You'll see.